Hey guys! Today we will be making this amazing, easy and healthy workout shake. Let's get started. First, soak a teaspoon of chia seeds in a little bit of water and set it aside. In a blender, take a cup of any plant-based milk, preferably soy or oat milk. Next, take a banana and add in tiny pieces, one at a time. The smaller the pieces, the easier it is to blend. Next, add a tablespoon of cocoa powder and add in your soaked chia seeds. At this point, if you prefer a sweeter shake, you can add in some agave syrup. That helps to keep it sweet and it is vegan as well. Lastly, add in 1 tablespoon of peanut butter and put on a lid and let it blend till it has a smooth consistency. Pour it into a cup or simply have it as a drink at any time. If you guys enjoyed this video, please let us know by leaving a like below and subscribing if you want more. Let us know how you like the recipe in the comment section down below and see you next week. Happy baking!